Hi.
Hi.
I want to say you something. That's why I'm a volunteer in palliative care, more 1 year, and it is the time to encourage our every abilities to the society. And we are young, we are youth, and youth are not useless, but they use less. Okay,
Yes.
then please use your full time for the society. That's it.
Thank you. You look like you want to say something.
No, I was just listening to it.
You were listening? That made you happy?
Yeah, useless, that part made me happy.
Yeah? Why?
Because actually we don't get any platform to perform or show our skills in such matter, because people say that, oh, she's a child, or she's still a child, don't make her do such things and all. But here we are actually the heads. We do anything and everything here. We actually meet patients and all. It's nobody ever expected us to do such things here. But once here inside palliative care, inside Institute of Palliative Medicine, we are the ones who are meeting the patients. We are talking to them. We are spending time with them. It's actually like we are actually discovering ourselves. We are getting a chance to show out our emotions and our talents out. So that's a great platform for us here. So I was very happy when she said that youth are not useless, we are used less.
Thank you.